Hey there, it's been a while. So, I want to show you the new world we've been working on. It also has Helix, and it's flyable. Back there's like a planet with a moon, and it's in a Vaporwave / neon style. So, yeah, I'm excited. And of course, the obligatory Vaporwave mix. Let's go. So, yeah, it's been like a month or two since the last video, and yeah, we've been very busy, and there's like ups and downs, mostly downs, and stuff works. Let's go. So this world is also Quest compatible. So the vision was, we want to create the ultimate Metaverse world, right? And this is what people think about when they see Metaverse. So, let's get started. So this is the inside of Helix. It's an all-in-one. It can fly, float, and submerge. So, you know what? Let's pan around quickly. So it has wings. It has thrusters all over. And it's very maneuverable. So my theory is it could actually outmaneuver the F-22 Raptor. So let's get in. Yeah, there we go. So, and in this world, there's also a jetpack. Well, there's two jetpacks if you're on the Oculus Quest. So you'll be seeing people fly around here and do fun stuff, like me right now. Yeah, welcome to the Metaverse. This world is called VERS Citadel. Facebook / Meta are taking one side of the equation, we're taking the other. And VERS also means like in the real world. Like that's what Meta has not really been doing. Like the Metaverse is actually everything. So naturally, if you also embody the real world in the Metaverse and the Metaverse in the real world, then you've got the perfect mix. Alright, so Cybership Helix, it's already for sale. It's also available as an NFT. You can purchase it through that or just through the website using Visa or MasterCard or whatever. And if everything goes well, we'll be starting production this summer. There you go. Okay. Let me respawn. Yeah, check it out. VERS Citadel. So, yeah, I commissioned it to a friend of mine up. And yeah, just chill here, have fun.